Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel.
This is my Tecno Camon 30 model Android smartphone. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone password. If you've forgotten the lock screen pattern, here are some methods you can try to regain access to your device. First, turn off the power of your phone by pressing the power button. Press and hold volume down and power buttons together until you see the Tecno logo. Release the power button, but continue holding volume down until you enter recovery mode. No command. Single press volume up and power button for recovery mode. Navigate to white data, factory reset. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the options and the power button to select. Scroll to white data, factory reset and confirm the action. Select Reboot System now after the reset is complete. If your phone is FRP locked, you can bypass it by watching the video on our channel.
Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.